In this video, we're gonna use Jamworks to record a lecture using the desktop application. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. First things first, I have a video lecture that I'm going to watch, and we got a little bit of inception happening here. Yes, it is my own YouTube video. I know what you're thinking. I'm thinking it too. And then I'm gonna launch Jamworks over on the right-hand side. Let's clear all the messages, and then we're gonna select Start Recording. And what do we wanna capture? We wanna do screen and mic, which hopefully isn't gonna mess up my recording. We're gonna do screen 2 and let's see what we can do. So I'm gonna hit play on this video. We're gonna learn how to change the language code for individual tags. And right now it is more than one language. I need to turn down the audio on it. Right now it's watching the video, it's recording it. If you are a college or a university and you want to try out Jamworks for free, make sure that you mention the accessibility guide in your inquiry. Jamworks is taking over the college note-taking space because the product is just straight up superior. The link in the description will help you get in contact with them. Now back to the video. And what we can do is we could actually hit the highlight button if we want to say like, oh, this part is super important in the video, which it really is. And in this video, we're learning how to add a different language code to a document that has 2 languages. And so that's really important. And then we can stop the highlight. Now, if we wanted to do something else, we could flag it, and this is going to bring it to our attention in the timestamp window down at the bottom. And then we can deselect the flag or select it again, and that should just create like a moment in time that is occurring. And if we wanted to, we could track back the recording. It's going to go back 5 seconds to do a highlight. We can then hit stop, and all of this content is being written down. Now, what's really cool about this is we have the ability to add notes right now while it's recording. So if I learned something really cool, oh, I just realized my floating head is in the way. We can do this start writing notes button, and we can add in our notes here. This is super importante, right? That's one thing we could do. We could then fill the color if we wanted to. We can add in a hyperlink. We could even upload additional images or photos. So if I want to come in here and let's say put in, I don't know, an old picture of myself, I can do that. There I am. That's an old picture. We also have, slide notes that we could upload. I would select add PDF slide. We can go into our downloads or whatever and find the document that we would want to upload. Let's see, we can upload this PDF that I have. This is all about MathML. The slides have been updated, and it's like now we have slide notes. We have our important notes with images. We can close the notes feature, and we can also even have live captions going on right now as I speak. This tool, Jamworks, is absolutely fantastic, and I think it's a great tool to put in your toolbox to help you learn how to take notes faster and more efficiently. Now let's see what happens after we end the recording. So I ended the recording, and now this file is getting uploaded back into my account. So I'm gonna put this over to the side, and let's log into our Jamworks app, and right now it's being processed. So the file has been uploaded to my Jamworks account, and now we just need to wait a little bit. Now that the video is done processing, we can come select that video, and now we can ask it questions, we can have it quiz us, we can have it simplify the video, provide an overview, we can select things like key points, the transcript, a summary, and we have the slides that we uploaded, which in this example was a math sample, followed by our actual notes. Jamworks is like the best note-taking tool out on the web right now, and there isn't a product that I would recommend more for students with disabilities and those looking to make their note-taking game on another level. If you want to try out Jamworks for yourself, check out the link in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.